Welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV, where we bring you the most in-depth reviews of the cars shaping the future of the auto industry. Today we're diving into the brand new 2026 Lexus NX, a luxury crossover that has quickly become one of the most talked about SUVs in its segment. Lexus has always balanced elegance, reliability, and innovation, but the 2026 NX takes things to a new level. From its striking new design to its cutting-edge technology and improved performance, this model represents a bold step forward for Lexus. If you've been considering a luxury compact SUV, you'll want to stick around, because this NX has some surprises up its sleeve. Exterior. The first thing you notice when walking up to the 2026 Lexus NX is the front fascia, which is unmistakably Lexus but with refined updates that give it a futuristic edge. The spindle grille has been reimagined with a more three-dimensional effect, flowing seamlessly into slimmer LED headlights that feature Lexus's latest blade scan technology for sharper nighttime visibility. The new NX also incorporates active shutters and the grille that open and close depending on cooling needs, improving both aerodynamics and efficiency. The hood is more sculpted, adding definition to the front, and the bumper design integrates sleek air intakes that not only enhance airflow but also give the SUV a sporty, planted stance. Overall, the front feels modern, aggressive, yet unmistakably luxurious, setting the tone for the rest of the design. Moving to the side profile, the NX shows off proportions that are athletic yet elegant. Lexus has sharpened the shoulder lines and introduced a more coupe-like roofline that subtly slopes toward the back without compromising headroom. The character lines running along the doors give it a sense of motion, even when standing still, while chrome accents around the windows and flush-fitting door handles add a premium touch. Wheel options range from stylish 18-inch designs all the way up to sporty 21-inch alloys, with hybrid and plug-in hybrid trims getting distinct finishes to separate them from the gasoline-powered variants. Lexus also put extra attention into aerodynamics, with redesigned side mirrors that reduce wind noise and a slightly wider stance that improves both road presence and handling stability. It's an SUV that feels refined yet sporty, appealing to a wide spectrum of buyers. At the rear, the 2026 NX continues the theme of modern refinement. The most noticeable change is the LED light bar that stretches across the width of the vehicle, now slimmer and sharper, with dynamic turn signals that create a futuristic visual signature at night. The Lexus wordmark replaces the traditional badge, emphasizing the brand's clean and modern direction. The rear bumper is more sculpted, integrating functional air outlets and a hidden exhaust treatment for hybrid models, while the sportier trims add more aggressive diffuser elements. A subtle roof spoiler adds to the aerodynamic efficiency and gives the SUV a dynamic finish. The combination of sharp angles and flowing curves makes the back of the NX look both athletic and upscale, ensuring that it turns heads whether parked or driving away. Interior. Stepping inside, the 2026 Lexus NX demonstrates why Lexus continues to dominate in interior craftsmanship. The cabin is a perfect blend of luxury, minimalism, and technology. The driver is greeted by Lexus's latest Tizuna cockpit design, which focuses on intuitive control and driver engagement. The central display now comes in either a standard 14-inch touchscreen or an available 17-inch unit with crystal-clear graphics and faster response times. Lexus has also upgraded its infotainment system to include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, enhanced voice recognition, and over-the-air updates to keep everything fresh. Materials throughout the cabin have been refined with soft touch surfaces, genuine leather, sustainable wood trims, and brushed metal accents. Ambient lighting with customizable colors sets the mood, and the seats, which can be heated, ventilated, and adjusted in multiple ways, offer comfort for long drives. For passengers, the NX continues to be spacious and practical. Rear seat occupants benefit from improved legroom and reclining seats, while the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, creating a sense of openness. The sound system, particularly the Mark Levinson premium audio option, turns the cabin into a concert hall with immersive surround sound. Lexus has also focused heavily on noise reduction, using advanced soundproofing materials and active noise cancellation to create a serene environment, even at highway speeds. Cargo space remains versatile, with the hands-free power liftgate and split folding rear seats making it easy to load larger items. This is a cabin that blends cutting-edge technology with Lexus's traditional focus on comfort and luxury. Performance under the hood. The 2026 Lexus NX offers a range of powertrains designed to satisfy different kinds of drivers. The standard model comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, producing around 205 horsepower, perfect for those who prioritize efficiency and reliability. For more power, there's a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine delivering about 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, giving the NX strong acceleration and confident passing power. Hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants remain central to the lineup. The NX 350 hours combines a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors for a total output of 239 horsepower, offering excellent fuel efficiency and smooth performance. The NX 450 hours Plus, the plug-in hybrid, is the standout, delivering up to 300 horsepower and the ability to travel over 40 miles on pure electric power, making it ideal for daily commuting without ever visiting a gas station. All-wheel drive is available across the lineup, ensuring confidence in all weather conditions. Driving the NX feels refined and precise. Lexus has retuned the suspension to strike a balance between comfort and sportiness. The steering feels more direct, and the chassis improvements give the SUV a more planted feel in corners without sacrificing the smooth ride Lexus is known for. Advanced driver assistance features come standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and Lexus's new proactive driving assist, which helps adjust speed and steering input based on traffic and road conditions. The plug-in hybrid variant even allows for one-pedal driving, giving it an EV-like feel while still offering the flexibility of a gasoline engine for longer trips. Pricing for the 2026 Lexus NX starts at around $43,000 for the base model, which is competitive in the luxury compact SUV segment. The hybrid variant begins closer to $47,000, while the more powerful NX 350 with the turbo engine pushes into the low $50,000 range. The plug-in hybrid 450 hours Plus sits at the top of the lineup, starting at around $58,000 and climbing higher with premium options and packages. Considering the level of luxury, technology, and performance offered, the NX delivers strong value for buyers who want a vehicle that feels future-ready but still grounded in Lexus's reputation for quality and long-term reliability. In summary, the 2026 Lexus NX is more than just an update. It's a complete statement from Lexus that the future of luxury SUVs lies in combining striking design, cutting-edge technology, and versatile performance options. It's sleek, it's comfortable, and it's efficient, offering something for nearly every kind of driver. Whether you're looking for a stylish daily driver, a comfortable family SUV, or a forward-thinking plug-in hybrid, the NX delivers on all fronts. Lexus has once again raised the bar in this competitive segment, and the NX proves why the brand continues to be a leader in blending innovation with timeless appeal. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 Lexus NX. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay up to date with all the latest car news and reviews, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Trendz TV, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new NX and whether it lives up to the hype. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.